Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video, part of my 31 days of Halloween. We have a much lighter backdrop for this new series that we are jumping into, part of my 31 days of Halloween. All of the videos you will see part of this series are going to have to do with Earth and the elements and the weather and Mother Nature. I'm really excited for this one because I've been inspired by just, you know, everything that goes on in life and Earth and nature for so long, and I've wanted to bring that to you guys. So this is my clouds look. I'll give you guys a little close up. I wanted it to be super ethereal, and super cute and pretty, and I think I did that. Today's video is sponsored by OGX. You guys know I love OGX's hair products. I'm going to show you guys a little hair tutorial on how I got this really effortless wavy hair, so make sure to stay tuned for that. So thank you to OGX. But without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial and let me show you how I got this effortless hair and this cute makeup. Hi guys, we are starting off with some hair. I'm going to be using the coconut serum in my hair. It's going to help with breakage and damage. I'm then going to add just a little bit, just like a pump or two of the coconut curls. This really helped my hair hold the curl. I'm literally sitting here in my closet doing this voiceover for you, and the curls are still in my hair because of this. So once my hair has completely dried, I did speed it up a little bit with my blow dryer. I'm going to take my 1.5-inch curling iron, and I'm not going to use the clip on the curling iron. I'm just going to wrap the hair around and away from my face. So I'm going to do that until I am completely done with my whole head. I'm going to shake it out just a little bit, and then I'm going to spray the bamboo fibers to give my hair some texture and also a little bit more volume. And this is the hair. Super, super easy. Takes literally 20 minutes. I'm then going to move on to the makeup. For the makeup, I am just starting out by doing my brows the way I normally do. I'm using the ColourPop brow pencil. I'm going to shape my brows out with the Overachiever concealer from Huda, and then I'm just going to use that as my base for my eyes. It was actually very difficult. I had this specific color in mind. I wanted it to be like sky blue, so I was kind of like going all over the place trying to find that perfect sky blue color, but I found it in this old palette from MAC, and I used that first as the transition color, and then I used a couple of the shades from the new ColourPop rainbow palette, and then to deepen it up I used this really gorgeous dark deep blue shade from this Colored Rain palette, and then we're going to cut the crease. So I'm doing a half cut crease, but if you look really closely, you guys, I am actually creating a cloud as the half cut crease. You'll see it more as we get towards the end of the video. I do suggest creating this cut crease with a white concealer or like a white cream base, because it was very difficult to get it to be super white, which is why I used the Suva paint. I'm then going to tap it off with some glitter from Lit Cosmetics. This, I think it's called Diamond Girl. It's so pretty. So I just topped that entire part off with some glitter, and then I'm adding some eyeliners, black to tight line, and then a blue on the waterline, and I mixed it with a faux white liner from NYX, and then I'm just doing a winged liner in a black liquid liner from CoverGirl. Adding some mascara, and then for lashes, I'm popping on the classics from Ardell, the wispy lashes. And then for primers, I'm adding an illuminating primer and then a blurring primer. And then for foundation, this is the Cover FX Power Play foundation. I mixed a little bit of it with the illuminating primer that we used, just for some
you know, life in the skin. I'm doing my concealer as I always do, and then I'm setting everything very lightly with the Pretty Vulgar powder. Reason being lightly is because we are now going to go into some shadow. So right in the nose and cheek area, kind of like I call it the freckle area, I'm going to add some of that sky blue color. Also on each side of my neck, and then also at the top of my forehead. Really quick, I just added some shadow and mascara to the bottom lashes. And then for the clouds, I used the Cover FX Power Plate Concealer in white, and it actually worked out so well rather than using like a grease paint or anything. It just blended exactly the way I wanted it to and looks exactly the way I wanted it to. So I added some bronzer just to give some color into the face, and then also some glitter and some blush. I added this blush into the center of my lips, topped it off with some gloss, and then we are done. And I also added some glitter, of course, to my face. Did I say that? I don't know. But this is the final look.
Okay, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching to yet another one of my 31 days of Halloween videos. As always, make sure to subscribe to me. It'll be either here or here. And check out all of my other Halloween videos. They'll be here or here. I hope you guys like this one, and leave in the comments below what you think the next one is going to be. Bye, guys.